The holiday season is time for holly and time for jolly. But it's also time for astronomical electric bills. Time to upgrade your Christmas light setup with the Casa Smart Smart Wi-Fi Outdoor Dimmer. This is the Casa Smart KP405 Smart Wi-Fi Outdoor Dimmer, and it's quite the upgrade from the old mechanical timers. This is a single outlet model. There is a dual outlet model. We'll have both linked in the description below that will work with LED lights up to 150 watts and incandescent lights up to 300 watts. Even though this says it's a dimmable timer, it will only work with lights that are dimmable. Incandescent, LED, make sure that your lights are compatible with dimming before purchasing this. As an outdoor switch, it is IP64 rated, but they do still recommend that you have it installed hanging downward so any rain, snow, whatever liquid may be dripping down does not get into the outlet. Sorry, my mouth produces a lot of moisture with this Invisalign. To get this thing set up and ready to go, you will plug it in to your outdoor outlet of choosing, and then you do have the option to install the included clip so no one walks away with this bad boy. Once the light, the LED indicator on the front is blinking green and orange, you are ready to connect it by using the Casa Smart app that you can download from the App Store or Google Play. At that point, you'll go into your Wi-Fi settings and search for this Wi-Fi network, the Wi-Fi network for this device. Once this is connected to your phone, you'll have to select which Wi-Fi network you want this to be permanently on, input the password so it has that information, and then it'll be able to connect to the internet. Once you finish the connection process, you'll have to calibrate brightness because all lights are not created equal, and the lower bound of brightness, where it can be still on but the least amount of bright, follow with me here, is different. So it'll have you test what that level is for your specific lights, and then 100% will be the same for all lights. Just follow the instructions in the app. Don't follow what I just said. Well, do, but follow the app. Once that is completed, you will have full control from anywhere in the world through the Casa Smart app. You can adjust brightness levels. There are some presets across the top which you can change, and you can scroll through the levels. Also, you can set schedules, set timers, as well as an away mode. You can use this to coordinate this dimmer switch with other Casa Smart products that you have in your home for scenes. And you can control this with your Google Home, Amazon Alexa, and Apple HomeKit. That is also set up in the settings of your Casa Smart app. We've really enjoyed and had good luck with the other TP-Link Casa Smart products that we've reviewed, and I'd say the KP405 Smart Wi-Fi Outdoor Dimmer plugin is no different. If you have any questions on this product when you're setting it up, please don't hesitate to ask those in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to drop a like on it and click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future content. Thanks for watching, folks, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bird out.